Hey everyone, Suzette here from Elements of Antiquity, showing you how to make a simple stretch bracelet using one of our kits. We have 4 different beading kits available on our website. The bracelets are Beach, Sun, Love, and the one I'm going to show you how to make today is the Summer bracelet. Each kit contains the beads, instructions on the back side, and the elastic cording to string on. I've started the bracelet already. The kit does not include a few of the items that you see here: the tape, the E6000 glue, and the scissors. Before you begin, you're going to want to add a small strip of tape at the bottom so you don't lose your beads as you're stringing them. And you can choose any design that you want with each kit. You don't have to follow the exact instructions. So we started out with all the peach at the back, 4 of the turquoise greenish colored beads, and then 5 of the coral, and then 4. So following along with the bracelet, we're going to add the 5 coral beads. Let's see. We got 3. We got to add 2 more of these. Next color is the yellow beads. We will add 6 of these. A little bit different than six, and then they end this area with 3 of the turquoise. This bracelet uses a pink, a yellow, and a mint colored. So we will add those. You'll be able to tie the knot in any of the beads. They all have a really large bead hole. Oops. And we're gonna follow this area until we get to the peach. So we're gonna do 3 here. And the yellow, we gotta do 6 yellow. 1, and we did 5 here, 5 of the coral colored. We're back to 4 green beads. And back to 5. Back to 4 of the turquoise. So here we've completed the exact design on both sides. We're going to go ahead and take off the tape. Move your beads down. Go ahead and take off your tape. I just loosely put it on because it does get really sticky on the elastic cording. So what we're going to do now is try on the bracelet. And so it looks like it's going to fit really well. You could take off some beads, add some if it's not. Here, let's try that on one more time before we tie it. Yeah, that will be perfect. So you're going to bring both of them together. Now, I do my knots for stretch bracelets a little bit different, and that's why I add the glue. But you're going to take the ends, and you're going to wrap them around. Let's see. Give me 1 minute. You're going to take the ends and just wrap them around and bring them up through the loop. Grab them, pull this. I have to switch hands because I am right-handed. Pull that tight. And you're going to pull. And then I add another just overhand knot. You'll add your glue here. A dab. I'm not going to show you on camera how to do that. And then you'll take your scissors and cut the ends. The bead hole will fall within the beads. You might have to cut it a little bit more. You could use a toothpick to get it through so it's not showing. But this will, let's see. There we go. And then that, oops, that doesn't want to go in there, does it? And then that's how you make one of our bracelets. And they are all so fun and stylish. You could stack them all for the summer, wear them with your other jewelry pieces. They're just really fun bracelets to make. Simple, easy to restring. And that's it for today. Have a great day.